it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with coffee this morning. My face is already cleansed. The first thing I do, this is just my routine. I'm not going to wear makeup. I'm going to wear my BB cream. I'm going to start off with my serum. And whatever serum that you like, I'm not going to show all the products. I will put them in the description box below. But I'm using the Lancome Genifque. Yeah, I literally just press this into my skin. And then I follow with my Glam Glow moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer. This is one of my favorite moisturizers so far, ever since I have been using it for this past month. I love it. And I just put a little bit right here on my hands because it's supposed to give you 72 hours worth of moisture, and I find that that is so true. But I always use my sunscreen as well. I'm using my sunscreen, and I'm just using a little bit. Goes a long way. Always protect your skin. And I like this sunscreen because it doesn't make me look real ashy. This is the Cerave SPF of 50. Then I'm going to go in with my Nars, and this is in Cuba medium 3. That's the color. So I'm going to just, what I do is just take a little bit to get more coverage. And this is like a tinted moisturizer. Okay, this is it says Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and this also has a broad spectrum of SPF 30. And I take a makeup brush with this just because it gives me just a little bit more coverage, and I spread this on my face just like I would do with a if I was wearing just regular makeup. Just do my eyebrows, and my eyebrows is nothing real fancy. I'm not really doing too much to them. I'm just following the lines of my brows, and just, this is just really just what I do. Nothing fancy, just really filling them in. Same thing. My brow set by MAC, and it's called Boy Girl, and this just sets everything really quick. Okay, that's the end of that. Always though, I always use my concealers up under my eye, and I'm just going in with my Age Rewind. I just take my hand, I'm telling you, this is all of 4 minutes, and go through it with my hand first. I add some just on top of here because I'm going to just, and I take my damp beauty blender, and I just, sometimes I set with powder, sometimes I do not. But I'm using bronzer on my face today, so I just take my little bronzer, and this is by it's Physician Formula, and I just really just hit my just hit my eyes with it just to give me a little bit of color. You know, nothing real major, just to add color. This Clinique High Impact Mascara that I have really loved. I love lately. I've been using this on my lashes and they have just really, I received it in just a little, you know, little case when you buy some makeup or perfume or whatever. You have the little, like the little samples, gift samples, and I love it. I'm not tight lining, I'm not doing any of this, but this is just what I do to just really look presentable and get me out the door. My nude pencil is, it's really a nude. It looks like I just put this in my eyes. It's a little cheat. Just to make me look a little awake. Quick, natural, out the door and pour. And I'm taking my bronzer there and just giving me some color, okay? I love the tinted moisturizer because it really lets my skin show through, which I like, and it gets, you know. And right now I'm just giving me just a little bit of color, wake up some color up in me, okay? I'm just hitting with some blush by Milan. It's called Dolce Pink, and and this is just a little sample of highlighter that I do just swatch a little bit right here on my, and up down my nose. I do use my highlighters though, and right up over my eyes. Powder, and just go over the whole thing. Translucent setting powder, not much. That's when I go up under my eyes and everywhere. And just set. If you like, I always use just a little bit because I don't want to look super shiny, but I do want to look like I have a natural glow too. I always wear bright lipstick just to outline my lips. And I'm using my Lychee. Everybody loves my Lychee when I wear it. And this is by ColourPop. I don't think they sell Lychee anymore, and I really hate that. But I did find another color that's similar to Lychee by Maybelline. It's called Matte Ink. It makes you look like you're really put together when you really only took 4 minutes. So this is the finished look, but this is the simple look that I do really. It usually only takes me sometimes 3 to 4 minutes, really. So thanks guys so much for watching. Mwah. Until next time, bye.